Morning, guys. It's September 1st, 2023. I got a call from an older guy that I worked for a bunch of times. And he's on the phone talking to me, but I'm screaming into the flipping phone and he can't even hear what I'm saying. So I know he's home because he's home in like a wheelchair setup. So I'm going to go over there and...
Turn left on State Road.
It sucks to get old, that's all I can say. I'm screaming into the phone so he could hear me and he's, huh? Unbelievable. I mean, these poor old people calling me on the phone. Well, you talk about, you're trying to talk to him and see if he's gonna be home and can't hear you. It's just unflipping believable. It's really sad. I figured to get a hearing aid or something, but I don't know. We're gonna go over there because it says there's water on the floor on the toilet. So maybe he's pissing on the floor. Anyway, we'll go over there and see if we could find out what's going on with the toilet. And it could be the shower. I mean, because he's an elderly guy and they gotta wash him, so he might be a nurse in there washing him in the shower with the door not closed and there's water on the floor. It could be that too. He's got, I think he's got help that goes there every day. And, but anyway, I'm gonna go over there and see if I can. Hopefully he doesn't call someone else in the meantime. I couldn't get through to the guy. I mean, I called him 3 times in a row and made sure it wasn't a bad connection and just can't hear what I'm saying. I'm screaming into the flipping phone as loud as I can. He still can't hear me. Unbelievable. Very frustrating. All I can say. Very frustrating. And I did call the lady back that had that temperance valve issue. You guys are complaining about it. They're happy with it the way it is, and they don't, you know, I called her and double check, make sure the water's not too hot, and her and her husband both are fine with it the way it is, so I'm gonna leave it like that. I mean, I could put a water tank in or change a temperance valve, but they're happy with the way it is, so. I did call a double check, which I usually do. If there's a question, I'll always do a follow-up call and the next couple of days and make sure everything's going smoothly. And just, it is what it is. Yeah, it looks like it's wet behind there. Well, she's loose as a goose, Mama. She's loose as a goose. That's probably why. Yeah, there's a lot of water on the ground there, he says. Let's see if we can tighten it. Thing's flopping in the flipping wind here.
You see it, Steve?
Yeah, I'll fix it. I gotta take these handles off first.
Oh, yeah, that's okay.
Now watch out now. Why don't you go sit down before you get, before you trip over something.
The only thing I heard at the end was, I'm on my way, right?
Well, I called like 5 times, hollering into the phone.
The phone didn't ring.
Huh?
The phone didn't ring.
What do you mean it didn't ring? I mean, I called you back a whole bunch of times. I called you back like 4 times in a row.
Oh.
You can't hear, even with the hearing aids?
Nope.
Wow. Crazy.
And I can't see.
You can't see, you can't hear?
Can't hear. What good am I?
Well, how old? Oh, I can't get that thing off of there. How old are you?
95.
You're 99?
Yeah.
Oh, God bless you.
Almost 96.
Wow, 99. So sometimes these things... Well, that's what the problem is. The fill valve spraying. Look at that. It's spraying right up, hitting the top.
Oh, the lady said the water goes through and it's down cellar.
Well, look at it, spraying right up. I gotta change that. That's the problem.
What?
The fill valve spraying straight up, hitting the cover and dumping on the ground. That's what's happening. Son of a gun. See, good thing I check, huh? You're 99. God bless you.
No, 95.
Oh, 95.
Yeah, almost 96.
Oh, that's still a good run.
Yeah.
Right? I can't even get this thing apart. I can't even. You've probably been pissing on this sucker. Got it all corroded on there. I can't get it off. You know? You have bad aim.
Yeah.
You know? 95 and your aim's not that good.
Not good at all. I can't see.
You can't see.
I'm legally blind.
Son of a gun, huh? I like to get this thing the hell off of here, but then I can't get it back on. Wow. I don't
Can't
know.
get it, Steve?
No, I'll just work around it. I mean, what can I say? Uh-oh.
You see the problem though?
I see the problem. This fill valve, when the water fills in, it's squirting straight up.
Oh yeah?
So it's hitting the top and then running down.
Oh yeah?
That's why there's water. But we're gonna do is we're gonna flush it. I got the water off. I got the water off now, but it has to be changed. This thing. Put a new one in and we'll be alright. Yeah, this is a newer toilet. Alright. With the wraps on the knees.
Huh?
Why you got your knees wrapped up?
What?
Them are socks. Why do you got them heavy socks on?
Oh, those are for compression socks.
What does that do? Does that help?
I have a neuropathy.
Oh, does that help with the neuropathy? Are you diabetic?
No, I'm not a diabetic.
But so does that help with the pain?
They swell.
Oh, they swell.
Swell up. I got fluid in them.
Yeah, so that helps it stop it from getting fluid.
Yeah.
I didn't know that. I didn't know they made those.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. So that's good. That's a good. At least I know that they got compression socks, huh?
Yep. Okay.
Yeah. When you go sit down at the table there, please, and I'll do my thing. Okay?
Yep.
You don't mind? You want help? You're good. You're not gonna fall on me, are you?
No, I hope not. As long as I got this.
As long as you got that. That looks like a little
Huh?
You could eat on that thing. Little tray.
Yeah. See?
All right, go ahead. Go sit down, please, and I'll do my thing. You don't have to try to take it out for me. That's fine.
Okay.
Yeah, just leave it like that. You're good. I'll get what I need and I'll fix it. Okay.
Yep. But the lady, she said there's water down cellar.
Well, obviously the thing's leaking everywhere. Hello, Miss Molly. All right, let me fix this for him. Water off. We're gonna change that fill valve. I got a new one here. I can't get this handle off of here. I don't know why. Well, so what's happening is when the fill valve fills, it's squirting right up and hitting the top and running down. I'm gonna change it. I put this toilet in a few years back. I don't know how many, but a few. I'll push down on the fill valve so it doesn't leak. I have to take this thing off of here if I could get it off. There it goes. There it goes. Put the pliers on it to get it to work. Open nuts. I'm gonna put the pliers on it to get it to work. Flipping nutty as squirrel shit. Downward pressure so it don't leak until I get the nut off, and I can put the container under there. So I don't get a flood. That's sort of a nutty, man. That thing was nutty. Flipping nutty as squirrel shit. Turn them, adjust it up and down, and then lock it in place. I don't make them anymore. Typical. Got a good thing and then they stop making it. I'll put this in, I'll face this towards the overflow, and then I could adjust it as I need it and lock it back in place. That's what I do. So that'll face from there straight over in line. That's where I want to put it. I'm gonna make sure everything's tight before we leave. I don't think the tank was the issue. It was just flipping loose as a goose. These are plastic nuts. Yeah, these can be tightened up a little bit, but nothing crazy. After a while, I mean, shit loosens up. It's just how it is. Tightening these nuts up. They're plastic. I got adjustment in this also. This fillet. We'll fill it. We'll make sure we're good. I'm gonna have to go down with it some. I'm thinking probably. I can go. Adjust it down. Just to fill it. That wants to go in there because it won't. If this don't go in there, the toilet will be low. That's why I like these. They're easy to put in and set it when they're in place. Let's see the water line down there. That's where it should be. Close. Looks like it's gonna be close right there. And then I want to go down a little bit with it. Alright, we'll see how that works. Make sure everything's tight here along here. It's as loose as a goose, mama. Shit happens, you know. I'm doing a funky chicken on the toilet. What do you expect? What do you expect? Guy's doing a funky chicken here. Looks like it's got a closet screw. Oh, it should be. Oh, that's tight. Alright. See where we're at there. Yeah. Actually, we could go down some more. That's right at the water line. And we're down about 3/4 of an inch. That's where we want to be. Right there at the water line there, see it? Alright, let's flush it and see if it leaks. And that's what it was. Make sure the wax don't leak. Make sure you flush it good. couple of times. The fill valve, when it filled, it was squirting right out the top, hitting the cover. Alright, we'll flush it again. That's good. Well, I did tighten this nut up. It should be fine now. Put the cover on and the arms back in. It should be good. That's what it was. Alright, the toilet is dry. It was leaking on the floor. It was leaking on the floor and then down. It's fine now. It's fine. So I got the handles back on and the cover. You ready to go? Thing when you flushed it, it was squirting straight up out of the top of that cover. Straight up, hitting the cover and leaking down. Oh well. That's how it is. Not easy being cheesy, Mom. Not easy being cheesy. Well, Miss Molly. Hello there, Miss Molly. How you doing, Miss Molly? Hello.